When diving into iOS app development, the first thing you need is the right software. The cornerstone of iOS development is Xcode. This integrated development environment, or IDE, is where the magic happens. It's packed with all the tools you need to build, test, and debug your apps. You can download Xcode directly from the Mac App Store. Once installed, you'll find a user-friendly interface that includes a code editor, a visual interface builder, and a suite of simulators to test your app on various devices. Next up is Swift, Apple's programming language. Swift is designed to be easy to read and write, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned developers. It's powerful, safe, and fast, which is essential for creating high-performance apps. You'll be using Swift extensively in Xcode, so getting comfortable with its syntax is crucial. There are plenty of resources online, including Apple's own Swift Playgrounds, which is a fun way to learn the language interactively. Now, let's talk about CocoaPods. This dependency manager is a game changer. It simplifies the process of integrating third-party libraries into your projects. Instead of manually downloading and configuring libraries, CocoaPods automates it for you. Just a few commands in the terminal, and you're ready to go. It saves you time and helps keep your project organized. Another essential tool is Git. Version control is critical in software development, and Git allows you to track changes, collaborate with others, and revert to previous versions if something goes wrong. You can use GitHub or GitLab to host your repositories, making it easy to share your code and collaborate with other developers. For design, Sketch and Figma are two popular choices. They allow you to create stunning user interfaces and prototypes. Figma, in particular, is great for collaboration since it's web-based, letting multiple people work on a design simultaneously. Both tools have extensive libraries and plugins that can speed up your design process. Testing is a vital part of app development, and for that, you'll want to familiarize yourself with Xcode, Apple's testing framework. It allows you to write unit tests and UI tests to ensure your app behaves as expected. Automated testing can save you a lot of headaches down the line, so integrating it into your workflow is a smart move. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of documentation. Apple provides extensive documentation for all their frameworks and tools. Familiarizing yourself with the official documentation can save you countless hours of troubleshooting. Additionally, communities like Stack Overflow and developer forums are invaluable resources when you hit a snag. In summary, getting started with iOS app development involves a few key tools: Xcode for coding, Swift for programming, CocoaPods for managing libraries, Git for version control, design tools like Sketch or Figma, and Xcode for testing. With these tools in your arsenal, you'll be well on your way to creating amazing iOS applications. Embrace the learning curve, stay curious, and enjoy the journey of bringing your app ideas to life.